Alright, for this test we're again doing the dwell time test. So this will be for the unleaded solder profile. So we'll be using just over a 1.2 milliliters. Our test calls for having at least 1 cc of water spread on a PCB. So we'll get this PCB pretty soaked as we spread this across, and we actually have a little bit extra water in case there's any residual moisture on my thumb as I spread it. So we'll make sure that all your parts are guaranteed to short.
Of course.
Spread it everywhere. Alright, so you have stuff pooling around and pretty wet. Now we're going to take this. So can you see the water on there?
Oh yeah, I already got it before.
Alright.
It's on there. It's water.
Yeah, it's wet. There's wet stuff there. So we're going to put it in the oven, turn on the oven, and we are going to go in, we're going to run, and we're going to choose to do the unleaded profile. So we're doing the unleaded profile, and we are going to start. Alright, so the oven is now on. And now we're going to watch water dry.
Almost as fun as watching paint dry.
Yeah. Yeah, almost better than paint, honestly. So this will be probably the most exciting 6 or 7 minutes ever uploaded to YouTube. So water is still there. Our temperature is beginning to rise. And then our requirements, just like for the leaded solder profile, our drying period has to take place between 120 degrees Celsius and 180 degrees Celsius. So if you see the 150, that is what our drying period. So that's the target temperature we're reaching, that's going to be our drying period. So we're starting to climb, and we'll soon go into the 120 to 180 degree region. Alright, so we're past 120, and already we're seeing, it's hard to see with the camera, there's still water on there, but there's definitely stuff beginning to dry. So some of the larger pools of water are still staying, but they won't last very long. Alright, so our temperature has hit 150 degrees Celsius. Elements have turned off, and we're going to hover around that temperature for a while. And most of our water is already gone. We got some spots there in the middle and here, and a few smears of water, but even that's starting to quickly evaporate. So this puddle in the middle is almost gone. It's pretty hard to see on the camera. And it's starting to get hard to see with the eye. Alright, looks like that puddle just evaporated.
How much more time is left on that? I can take a picture of it.
I don't know exactly how long. But you see, we're still hovering about 150 degrees Celsius. So this entire time we've been staying within that region. And we'll soon start to go up to the peak temperature.
Can you move your camera down really quick so I can
Yeah,
take a picture?
that's fine.
Well, no, put it in front so I can see your camera while I'm taking the picture.
Alright, everything has been evaporated for actually a little bit now. And as you can see, our oven is now going to rise to the peak temperature of 260 degrees Celsius for this unleaded solder profile. So really our drying period has ended. And it'll just go past 180 now, but everything is completely evaporated. In fact, I'll prematurely end this. I would pull it out, but it will be a little hard in the hand here. You can see all like the big puddle of water in the middle is gone. All of it is completely evaporated. So, and that was all within our drying period between 120 degrees and 180 degrees Celsius. And that concludes our test for the drying period of the oven. Thank you.